So right now, we have some information related to the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra first. Let's talk about the phone performance. According to the sources, Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra come with a 16 GB of RAM, and we have the faster LPDDR6 RAM in the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, which makes phones so fast. In my opinion, 12 GB RAM is enough for any phone. But that argument goes out of the window when you factor in the on-device AI. You see, AI apps process tons of data super quickly, and while they run fine now, they'll need more RAM. Now let's talk about the design of the phone. According to the ICE universe, Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra come with a new frame design that's rounded on the back and straight on the display side. Maybe with those rounded corners and thinner, flat frames. Samsung has looked like the regular Galaxy S7 and the Galaxy Note 5, and so it's confirmed that the S25 Ultra not look like the iPhone. And according to the rumors, the new design will be more comfortable if we compare this design with the S24, and if we talking about the battery. According to the ICE universe, Samsung has decided to use the same battery, 5000 mAh battery in the S25 Ultra, which he used in the S24 Ultra, and we have same 45-watt charging speed in the S25 Ultra, which we have in the S24 Ultra. And interestingly, there was a rumors a while back that Samsung is working on battery AI on the S25 Ultra that will supposedly increase the battery life by about 10%. And the S25 Ultra come with a satellite communication. With the help of satellite communication, you can able to send emergency text through Google Message, and you can make emergency calls if there's a mobile network nearby. So if you like my video, give a thumbs up and subscribe.